I have with me Lieutenant General DP Pandey, the Corps Commander of Srinagar Base 15 Corps. So first of all, there has been some activity at the line of control in the Uri sector. Can you give us an update on that?
Okay, in last about a month or so, while the launch pads have been always generally full for last about 4-5 months, but since the time the ceasefire has been, the attempts has been very few to cross the LC by the terrorist. But in last about a month, seems to be a connivance from the local military commanders in which is enabling these crossings. And we have seen...
You mean Pak military commanders?
Naturally, because please understand that when you have to come across LC, there has to be a complicity of at least some level. So there is a complicity, there is a connivance, but the fact is there is an activity which is started for reconnaissance and such like things. And you see there were two attempts. One was in Uri about on September 18th, and one was in the area of Rustam in Rampur sector just a few days back. And while we are quite well poised and located, we will ensure that no such success takes place.
Sir, while the attempt was foiled, 3 terrorists were killed. Do we have a status on whether some of them were able to infiltrate?
No, I don't think so. Any one of them is able to instate that the Uri operation was the one in which we think there were about 2 terrorists. That operation in the final stages, I'll let you know later on when something happens.
Yeah. There's been a ceasefire since February, and suddenly we are seeing these attempts. Do you see any kind of a design that during ceasefire these infiltration attempts are happening?
No, the ceasefire which has happened is in a different sector altogether. I think it's a localized attempt for maybe attempting infiltration across. But in the Uri sector and Rampur sector where the attempts have taken place, there has been no ceasefire.
Sir, in the hinterland, the situation has been quite normal in the last few months. The recruitment is low. What do you make of the pattern on that side?
You know, firstly I must tell you that the initiatives of the government is showing on the ground. You can see a lot of activity happening in terms of tourism development, and everything is manifesting. People have also realized the fruits of absence of these protest calls, bands, pathrao, stone pelting and all not happening. So every citizen wants to live a life of peace and wants to go through the humdrum of daily activity, and that they have started analyzing and understanding the values of it. So possibly that is the reason why the numbers have started going down. There has hardly been, people don't talk of it, there has been hardly any pelting events that have taken place. There has hardly been any collateral damages that have taken place in all operations you have conducted. So I think all in all the peace and stability situation is pretty high and good. It couldn't have been better as compared to the last about 4 to 5 years. And this is possibly is what is hurting the Pakistani and Pakistani proxies across. And that's why possibly this whole attempt's starting. But I can assure you that we'll take care.
So one last question. Last question, sir, regarding any fears of a spillover from Afghanistan, especially the Pak terrorists who have been in Afghanistan. Is there a fear that they could come close to
I will only tell you one thing, that people of Kashmir have got nothing to worry about it. We are absolutely vigilant. It may be Pakistani terrorist, it may be a local terrorist gone across. We don't care. Anybody who's picking up a weapon, who's not coming through proper passport, visa stamp, he's a terrorist and will be neutralized accordingly. So people of Kashmir and on behalf of Chinarpur, I can assure you all, things are absolutely will be under control in LC.
Thank you for speaking to us, sir.
Thank you.